Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be another hot day here out on the mountain. It'll be about 95 degrees. So I'm going to take advantage of the cool weather this morning and get as much of the tree clearing cleaned up as we can. My plan is to grab all the small stuff, just throw it up so I can grab it with the backhoe with the clamshell. Then all the big stuff I might just end up dragging over to where I'm processing all of, like, piling up my slash pile for the summer and all that. And then I can cut them up to length and all that over there, and then at the end I can just use the backhoe to clean up all the brush. If I were to limb everything up down here, then I have to then carry all the limbs up to the top and then grab them with the backhoe. So I don't know if that's going to work, but we're going to try it because it could save us quite a bit of time. We've really been enjoying having more of the view opened up here, and I'm really appreciating that it's going to be a lot nicer for fire protection, especially on the downward side slope of our building, to have it cleared out, basically clear and no trees within 100 feet of the building. We do have a couple big old growth or older growth trees that we're keeping here just because they are really nice, and they're limbed up 20 feet or so, so they shouldn't be able to ladder up or anything like that. So yeah, let's get started. We got some tree piles all prepped behind me here. We're gonna grab those with the backhoe, and then we'll start pulling the full-size logs up the hill and over to our staging area. I'm gonna call it for the afternoon. It's getting really hot, probably about 90, 95 degrees right now. But we got a lot of this slope cleared. Pretty much everything I can reach from the top is done. There's a few more I could probably get, but I'm also getting a lot closer to that bottom road down there for these trees. So here's a couple more up here I should grab now that I have. There's a big one laying across this stuff. I had to pull it that way. There's also another big one down there that will come up the hill, but there's a whole bunch of smaller stuff laying across it the other way too. So yeah, it's looking a lot better getting all this cleaned up. Eventually I'll come through after it's cleaned up and cut the stumps all flat. Like there's one down there that I've already done. But yeah, make this a nice hill. I'll also probably regrade this edge here. Once the transformer's set, then I know what I can do for grading. Probably put some rock in here and just build it up a little bit. That way it's not such a sharp bank off the edge that's much easier to maintain. Let me show you the yard on the other side of the shop here where we've been placing all the logs. So I'm going to stay up on the hill here where it's a little bit quieter and away from the generator. But as you can see behind me, we have two piles, one there, one there. And those, what I'm going to do is just take the forks on the backhoe, go underneath 6 or 8 logs or whatever I can reach. Just lift them up a couple feet off the ground. That way I can limb everything up while it's not, well, most of the stuff isn't like right on against the ground. And then I can cut them to length too. And then we'll be able to clean it all up. It'll be much easier to clean up in the yard here than pulling everything up or down the slope. So yeah, it's coming along. So I think I'm going to end this video right here. We've made some great progress today. Just getting those logs off the hill while it's hot out was a lot of work. It's so steep that I just hold on to the chain and walk myself down and then pull myself back up using the chain when I was hooking up the logs. So I don't know, there's a lot of work. If you want to support the channel, the best way to do that is just to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel, tells YouTube that this content is worth sharing to other people. If you haven't already, now's a great time to subscribe also. And if you want to support the channel in a more direct way, the best way to do that is through either YouTube channel memberships or through our Patreon. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.